how's it going, you guys? I'm Veggie Rolls. If this is your first time stopping by, don't forget to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It looks like this, and the little notification bell next to it, so that you will be notified every time a new video goes up, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and sweet Saturday. So today is Sweet Saturday. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a Reese's inspired bar. And this is not just a regular bar. These bars can actually be frozen, eaten as ice cream. So I'm basically showing you guys how to make a bar slash Reese's ice cream. This is like a convertible type of recipe. So it's gonna be so good, super duper easy to make. Let's get veggie. All right guys, so let's go ahead and get started. So first thing that I'm gonna be adding into our mixing bowl is 1.5 cups of graham cracker crumbs. And these, I've just kind of like crumbed these in the food processor. As you can see, they're nice and like sandy looking. But you could also do this like in a little Ziploc bag and just kind of like crush it. But I wasn't trying to do all that, so I just put it into the food processor, pulsed it a few times, boom, graham cracker sand. All right, guys, I had a little lapse in audio. I think Mia might have turned off my recorder. But anyways, I go ahead and add 1 pinch of salt into the mix and 1 cup of creamy peanut butter. And we're also going to be adding in 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. And we're going to be mixing this up a little bit. And then we're also going to be adding in 6 tablespoons of melted coconut oil. We're going to go ahead and mix this up until it becomes nice and creamy and well combined. And we're going to go ahead and add this into a 8x8 greased pan. And I'm just going to go ahead and cover the bottom and spread it evenly. And I'm adding in 3/4 cup of melted semi-sweet chocolate chips. And I melted these on the stove using 2 tablespoons of unsweetened almond milk on the lowest heat setting possible. And I just mixed it until everything became melted. I'll have the full recipe link down below where I explain this as well. And you're just going to cover the top of your filling with this chocolate until everything is nice and even and covered. And we're going to go ahead and place this into the fridge for about 2 to 3 hours until everything is set. All right, so here we have it. We finished setting our peanut butter chocolate bars. It's been in the freezer for about 1.5 hours to 2 hours, and it's nice and firm. We can go ahead and cut into it, but just keep in mind when you cut into this, it's going to be really firm because it's been in the freezer. However, you want it to be nice and firm, otherwise it'll break up on you and it'll be too soft to turn into bars. Also, you can go ahead and keep it in the freezer, or you could also place it into the refrigerator for a softer consistency.
Hey, okay, time for tapes to come. It's in my hands.
It's melting?
Mm-hmm.
Eat it, eat it.
Ah.
Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Yummy.
Bye.
So is that it? Yeah, that's it. We're all done. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you wanted to see more, don't forget to just check around the channel, look around, explore. I have tons of more recipes. Also, I have a second channel called Veggie Rolls 2. I'll link the link down below if you guys are interested in checking that out. Feel free to check that out. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye.